Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We're going to do a little bit of a throwback Thursday here today, in that I am using the With Deepest Sympathy that came from, I think it was April 2023. Let's see, it's an old paper pumpkin kit. April 2023, indeed. That's where it came from, and it's the With Deepest Sympathy. So I've got a gray granite card base. I cut down one of the card fronts to 5 1/4 by 4 to go on the front of this. And then I trimmed out the card front, this one here. I'd already used up a piece and die cut this piece out. So I just trimmed that out. And I'm going to stamp the With Deepest Sympathy in gray granite. Now, I had this little extra piece from when I did the die cut, so I know that it's going to be nice and dark, but I thought I wanted a nice, quiet, serene card. So this one is super simple to build. I trimmed this out, and then I used another piece of gray granite to mat it so that this comes up as 5 1/4 by 4. So this is 5 1/4, and it is, let me tell you what the dimensions are, 2 1/8. So then this is 2 by 5. So it all kind of fits together. So let me just put this, oh, I need to stamp it first. Sorry, my brain is not in the game this week, but I don't want you to have to wait any longer for these videos for this paper pumpkin kit. Okay, let's put that over there. And I'm just pulling this towards me so I can see where I'm stamping. Sorry, my hair is probably going to get in the frame. So With Deepest Sympathy, there we go. And then we're going to just flat mount this piece to here. And I'm okay with a sympathy card being super simple. It doesn't need to be lots of fanfare and everything else. It just needs to send the message. So just stick this one down here like that. Then I'm deciding if I am going to dimensionalize this. I wasn't sure if I was going to or not, but I am. So I'll just put some dimensionals down on this here. Oh, and the backing came off of that one already. There we go. That's helpful. Okay, and let's just peel the backs off these ones. Okay, and we'll just get these ones going here. And adhere this down. I am going to put it right in the middle. Like that. There we go. And I was debating about bling, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use bling or not. I might actually. Sorry. Like I say, my brain is not in the game. I'm doing my best to get these videos done for you. I'm going to use some of these ones, and I'm just going to, I think maybe I'll just put 3 small ones just down the side here. Okay, best laid plans. I'm just going to go use my pointer tool here, my pokey tool, and I'm going to pop that down like that, and then we'll use this one. There we go. Okay, so that is our kind of throwback Thursday card using the With Deepest Sympathy from April 2023. A nice, quiet card, perhaps in a bit of a storm of grief. So, again, super simple. It doesn't have to be elaborate for a sympathy card. But thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. We've got one more alternate card coming up on Friday.